Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Niagara Falls, local and long-distance movers near me. In the Niagara Falls, Ontario area, 3 Movers offers local and long-distance moves for both the commercial and residential customers. We have a highly qualified team of certified movers that will get the job done for you in the least amount of time, letting you focus on the best parts of moving to a new place. When you move long distance, you want to make sure that your belongings are taken care of and that you are covered in any case of eventualities. 3 Movers will take care of your move with care to help you focus on the other aspects of the process. We know people still need extra reassurance, which is why we also offer insurance for your valuables. And just in case you don't have space for everything at your new place yet, we even offer storage solutions. We got you covered on all ends. A local move means a smaller distance. This means you won't have to worry about the costs associated with transportation. There is still labor to account for, and labor is charged at an hourly rate based on the time to load and unload everything. You should consider which items are no longer important, as it will help reduce packing times and by extension the total cost. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Niagara Falls moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.